This How to 1 Minute will show you how to let users filter posts and pages in WordPress site. First of all, we want to install and activate a plugin. To do that, hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here search and filter, and this is the plugin we are going to use. So install and activate this plugin. Once the plugin activated, here you will get search and filter. Click on it and scroll down. Under how to use section, you will get a shortcode. Just copy this shortcode. Now, if you want to add the search filter to your sidebar widget, then hover over on appearance and click on widgets. And this is my website default sidebar. I want to add my filter box to this sidebar. So click on add block and select shortcode. And now paste here the shortcode you just copied. Let's update. And as you can see right now, I'm in my website sidebar section, and here we can see the search filter option has been added. And if you want to add the search filter in a page or a post, then go to post or page section and edit the post or page where you want to add it. Add a new block and search for shortcode. Paste here the shortcode, update the post or page, and here we can see the search filter box has been successfully added. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.